Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable the self-view mode in Dress to Impress. So if you want to see your avatar from up close while styling in DTI, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can enable the self-view mode so you can check out your outfits or maybe makeup or hair up close. So what you need to do in here, after you dress up, you can just tap on these three lines at the top left corner and you'll see the self view options. You can just tap on that options, self view, and you'll see your avatar makeup and hair and style up close like this in the left side of your screen. As you guys can see here, this is the detail, and you can also have it while you move around and find your outfit so you can see the avatar up close. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all in the next tutorials.